Okay, working on this Wisconsin V4. Supposed to have a bunch of bolts in here, but I only put 4 when I put 4 in when I had it, when I put it back together the last time I had it apart. This engine came off of that baler right there. This one's PTO driven. It don't have the PTO parts for it, but that's a New Holland 77. That's a New Holland Super 77. Why they call that one a Super 77? Because it don't have this engine. It's driven by PTO. But other than that, same exact baler, just the regular 77 has a motor. Super 77, they call Super, having PTO. That's why they call that Super. But otherwise, it's the same baler. I could barely read them tags there, and the same thing on the other baler. God, this sucker is heavy. Probably about 500 pounds. Sorry about that, my phone fell. 500 pounds of cast iron, engine block, heads, cylinders. That thing's cast iron. Flywheel's cast iron. Starter's cast iron. Everything's cast iron. The good old days. So you could probably turn this into a diesel if you wanted to. That's completely cast iron. It's crazy. Ain't no rod getting through that block. Even at 500,000 RPMs. Ooh. I left leaves in it. I'm gonna go the faster route. I don't know how many ratchets I've ran through before. Last ratchet I had, I ran through it within a week. I forgot what brand it was. There's a little pickup tube. There's the crankshaft and everything. We'll throw it upside down and I'll show you. We may get some connecting rod bolts out. Alright, move this stuff while I put the engine on top of it. Spin it around. There's the oil pan. Boom. Just like that. A little bit of elbow grease. And so yeah, there's a crankshaft, connecting rods, journals. Here's your that looks like a camshaft, I'm not sure. I'll have to wait till I tear into it. Get this off, get this front cover off. Somehow get this out of here. But this thing's gonna be a freaking nightmare. That's why I didn't tear it apart before. Or I kind of tore it apart some. There's your oil pump. I might be able to use that. So chances are this thing's gonna wind up in the scrapyard. That's pretty much why I'm tearing it down. Because I'm probably gonna send it off somewhere. it ain't doing me no good. Let's see here. I need... This thing's a freaking nightmare to work on. One freaking nightmare. I thought that sucker was bad. Look at it. Came out of an old Oldsmobile. It's set right out there. Set right there. I pulled the engine and transmission out of it by hand. I pulled some pistons out of it. That's what the pistons look like. And here's one I'm gonna pull out of it. And there's a valve cover. There's a front gear train cover for it. There's a head for it. There's another head for it. Exhaust manifold. Head connected to the manifold connected to the head, I'll say. But anyway, let's get back to this. I'm already sore. Out the door we go. Perfect. Perfect. Now see if I could get it broke loose. Show you another old trick here. You gotta be careful with the ratchet. You break it easy. Ratchets break pretty easy. Sometimes. This depends on the quality of the ratchet. No, I can't get to that other one down in there. So I'm gonna get my 6-inch extension. Take that one, this socket off. Get my big extension. Do that socket off. I have the extension and the socket and the ratchet. Alright. Oh, that one came off actually pretty easy. Actually, no, it wasn't. It didn't come off. I didn't get it on there good enough. Yeah, that thing's stuck on there too. I don't want to come off. Yeah, a good way to sprain my ankle. That's one. Yeah, that's the one I just got loose. Yeah, it's gonna be a pain in the rear. Oh boy. Tonight I'll put them batteries on the charger because they're both dead. No. Cut the rest of this off. And see what bolts are holding this on. I have to cut around the flywheel. This flywheel right here. Weird looking sucker. So there's a bolt there holding it on. It sucks working on this thing. This thing really sucks to work on. My 90 horse tractor is easier to work on than this thing. The dipstick. That's a dipstick. So, let's see here. There's a black widow. See him? Hey, little spider. Hey, little spider. No, I'm not scared of him that much. Hey, little spider. Hey, little spider. Boy. Where's my big bar? There it is. We're gonna take care of this little spider. And we're gonna go a little overkill. I'm gonna use this big bar thing. Heavy steel. Well, you sucker. Look at him. See that right there? Got him twice. Another one. Oh yeah, there he is. Took care of that problem. Screw you, stupid spider. I hate spiders, but I'm not too terribly scared of them. So, chances of him biting me, I don't think he bit me. I probably would have felt it. But, I guess we'll find out within 12, 24 hours. Then my hand will be purple. And then it'll be black within 5 minutes after 24 hours and all this and that. So yeah. That's pretty much all I have for now. I'll keep working on this off camera for a little while. And come up with some updates. Or come up tomorrow and finish it off what I can't do today because, well, the sun's going down. So, see you in the next video.